Coming to you from the heart of the coastal empire and low country, you're watching News Channel 15 on your side.
No, I was sitting in the truck. I never moved. Neither one of us got out of our vehicles because it was raining so hard, and right when we pulled in, it hit. I mean, I had just turned the truck off and put it in park when it actually really hit hard. But
what did it sound like when the windows went out? Did you hear that?
Yeah, it sounded like an explosion. And all the candy bars and stuff that are sitting on the front there, they're all still sitting there. They haven't been moved. That wind didn't go in there. It imploded. It pulled it from, you know, the vacuum from the back end of the building coming down, just sucked everything backwards.
Wow.
That was really...
So her house is like right behind here. So whatever you want to do.
Okay, watch those wires.
Alright. You want to just come around the back or?
It's just funny how the candy bars and stuff just stayed in place.
Probably take turns.